Hello everyone, my name is Amit, and in this video lecture we'll go through articles with different approach which you have not seen yet. Let's start our topic. We'll go through in this way. We'll discuss what, then followed by why and where, and in this where part we'll do exercise questions, and you'll find it easier than any other methodologies which you have gone yet. Let's move ahead. What is an article? An article is an adjective used before noun to tell the position of noun in terms of number or to express definite or indefiniteness. For example, he is a boy. He saw an old woman. In the first example, he is a boy. It is denoting that uncertainty, not a particular. Like he is the only boy or who is he. In the second example, he saw an old man. It means he is not sure about that old man. In the third example, the Godavari is the longest river in South India. Here, it is particularly saying about Godavari. So let's try to understand why we need to learn article. First thing is to give a complete sense of meaning. For example, I eat a mango. Let's say if I remove a from the sentence, I eat mango. So here we are not sure how many mangoes or what is the certainty, the definiteness. Similarly, he is a boy. Okay, so if I say he is boy, means no, there is a missing of grammatical sense at the same time in usual sense. Okay, and in other uses of articles are with respect to position or designation. Okay, for example, if there is a chief minister and there is an inauguration ceremony which is going on, so instead of saying chief minister you have to say the chief minister of our state. Similarly, the president of India. Here the gives a respectable meaning instead of directly saying president of India. Okay, let's try to understand where actually the articles are used and what are they. So there are mainly three articles: a, an, and the. So based on the requirement they are divided into two subcategories. Actually there is a third category which we call zero article, which will go through the exercise problems. So first one is indefinite and the second is definite. Indefinite means about uncertainty. To express the uncertainty about the position of a noun, in that sense we use a or an. Whereas in case of certainty we use the. Let's have a look. A and an, that is indefinite. These are used to express the meaning of one, all, per, any, even in case of each, at the rate. Okay, let's have a look on the first example. English is a rich language. Here o it denotes one, one of the. Okay, a dog has a short tail. A dog means all. Okay, it is saying about all the dogs have a short tail. Similarly, third example, milk is sold at rupees 60 a liter. Means a here defines per liter. So even if you write a, it will give the same meaning a. There is a boy. So there is any boy. We don't know. A group of soldiers. So here even in case of uh, group, let's say in a group there are 10, 20, whatever. So if you say group, so you have to add an article a before that. In case of the, which is a definite article but there is no actual meaning, it has functional meaning. For example, the sun rises in the east. Here even if we remove the, the sentence will be okay, but there are few rules which we have to follow. And functional in the sense is the we use for the particular sense, and particularly we are talking about sun, okay, and which is unique. The Sahara Desert is the largest desert in the world. So Sahara is the only desert, no other desert whose name is Sahara, okay, and it is the largest desert in the world. This is the short trick, and I say a short map to understand article. So see article where it is used. So there are five types of nouns in which they are divided into two categories: countable noun and uncountable noun. As we have gone through a definition where we have seen that article is an adjective, so adjectives are always used before noun. Here countable noun, and there are three nouns that come under it: proper noun, common noun, collective noun. So in case of proper noun, we majorly don't use with the names. For example, a Mahesh, a Suresh, no. So with that we don't use. Other than that we use, for example, the Brahmaputra, the Ganga, okay, in particular sense we use. In case of common noun, yeah, we use a, an, and the. And the we generally don't use. We generally use a and the, okay, we don't use this one. And in case of collective, we go with a or an, a group of soldiers, a swarm of ants, okay, in this way. So there are few rules uh, which are not to that extent, okay, so I'll explain you while taking you through the examples, okay. So just try to understand where we have to use a and where we have to use an, okay. So if the first letter is a consonant and first sound is a consonant, so in that case you have to use a. If the first letter is consonant and the sound is vowel, in that case you have to use an. If the first letter is vowel and the sound is vowel, even in that case you'll use an. But if the first letter of the given word is vowel and the sound is consonant, in that case you have to use a. For example, consonant sound, a bat, okay. B is a consonant, b is a consonant sound. Consonant vowel, so h is a consonant where the sound is a. An honest, an mla. Vowel sound, an umbrella, okay. A and u is a vowel, whereas vowel and consonant, a European, where e is a vowel and u is a consonant sound. So let's move on to the method which we can learn. So these are the rules which I'm speaking skipping, okay, and from here the actual learning starts. So first is I have a book. I have dash book. So something is missing. What is that? A. We are missing a here, okay. Whereas in the second example, if we can see, we'll understand he has dash umbrella. So o is a vowel sound, okay. So what we have to use here? An, okay. In the second one we have to use an. Let's come to the third one. He is dash student. He is a student. So you might be thinking that instead of explaining rules, why he is taking us through this. So as the class, as we'll move further questions, so you'll understand why I have taken the class instead of directly explaining you the rules. So through these questions I'll make you to understand the rules, okay. So please don't worry regarding that. Yes, he is a student. But if an adjective comes before a noun, so in that case this one article we have to write before an adjective, and its sound will depend on the sound of adjective. So here intelligent, so e is a vowel, thus we have to write he is an intelligent student. Let's say if there is an adverb which comes before adjective, in that case we have to use article before adjective, and the sound will go with adverb. So he is a very intelligent student for the sixth one. Okay, here he is a very intelligent student. Let's move further and try to understand how beautiful dash girl she is. So as we have seen, it's a common noun. Okay, and particularly we are saying about one particular girl, so we have to use how beautiful a girl. Okay, not an. Why not an? Why only a? Because particularly we are saying about one particular girl. Okay, next, seventh one. It is so fine a day. Yeah, most of the times such kind of questions come in exam, and most of the aspirants they do wrong. So instead of so a fine day they used, right? So it's wrong. It is so fine a day. Okay, as they think that it is so fine day, uh, that it's wrong. It's right, but actually it's wrong. Yeah. Next, let's move on to eighth question. Sumit walks 10 kilometers an hour. As we have seen, indefinite articles a and an, they mean per one. Okay, so here 10 Sumit walks 10 kilometer an hour. Okay, so per hour he travels 10 kilometer. Okay. Next is the train runs 40 kilometers per hour. So instead of saying per hour, we can use an hour. Okay, as why an, why not a? Because due to the vowel, sorry, consonant vowel sound. Okay, let's move further on the 10th question. Here, sugar is sold at rupees 40 a kilo, means 40 per kilo. So I guess now you're clear about the per. Okay, let's move forward. He is dash Kalidas. So here we have to use a Kalidas. Here a Kalidas means he is like a Kalidas. Okay. Similarly, we can have second one. You are a Dhoni means you're like a Dhoni. Okay. So instead of saying like, you can say a. Next is dash Mr. Sharma came to see you. Yes, this is very important, and the same I'll discuss in the part 2 of this video lecture. That is dash Mr. Sharma came to see you. So if you're not certain about that person, so in that case you have to use Mr. Sharma, and if you know him very well, so you have to say the Mr. Sharma if there is any particular Mr. Sharma which you and the person to whom you want to convey, both of the both of them knew it, knew this person. Okay, next is cow is a domestic animal. Here a cow, so if I write a cow, it means all the cows are a domestic animal. Okay, next, his uncle has gone for a walk. Yeah, so even these two are based on the same rule. His uncle has gone for a walk. So where verb is used as a noun, in that case you have to use article before the verb which is acting as a noun. So in this sense, in this case, his uncle has gone for a walk. So for a walk. Similarly, 16th one, my friend has gone for a swim. Okay, or for a ride, whatever. Okay, so now I guess you're clear with this rule. Yeah. Next is will you in. Here, will you in nothing. So sometimes even you have to avoid article. Will you in the Hyderabad? It could be, but it's wrong. Will you in Hyderabad? That's it. Next is he is honest. So here you might be thinking that as honest is consonant vowel sound, but do remember honest is an adjective, and we never use adjective before an adjective because article is also an adjective. Okay, whereas in this case you have to add he is dash honest person. Yes, so he is an honest person because there is a noun after an adjective, as we have seen in the earlier slides. Yes, next is Himalayas are the highest mountains in the world. So whenever you find group of mountains, let's say Himalayas are a group of mountains, so with group of mountains we have to use the. Okay, we have to use the and highest in the world. Why the world? Because world is a unique, and in case of unique or in case of particular we have to use the. Whereas in the next example where it is given Mount Everest, so with single peak or with single mountain we don't use any article like the. Okay, so here it is wrong to say. So in the first bracket we should not write any article, and in the second bracket we have to use the. Why the? Because it is in superlative degree, so wherever you find superlative degree you have to use the. Okay, so that's all in this video, and in the second video lecture we'll go through the other articles. Okay, so thank you.